Have you ever wondered how to get a Roblox gift card and dive into the endless world of gaming possibilities? Well, stay tuned because we've got the scoop. Roblox is the global platform that lets users create, share, and enjoy games made by other players. And what about Robux? Roblox is virtual currency used to buy cool items, avatar accessories, and access premium experiences. It's like leveling up your gaming journey. Now, the question you're here for: how to get and redeem a Roblox gift card. It's a piece of cake. After your purchase on doctorSIM.com, we'll send you a code by email. Enter that code on the official Roblox website or app, follow the instructions, and you're done. Instant access to a world of games. And here's a bonus: your Roblox gift card never expires, giving you the freedom to use it whenever you want. Looking for another gift card? Check out doctorSIM.com. We've got hundreds waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Roblox love.